Hi, this is Mr. Shumway. Just a quick video clip about Newton's second law. You may have noticed that a loaded semi-truck is not able to accelerate as fast as an empty Ford F-150, although the engine on the semi-truck is much more powerful. And you may already understand the difference there, but it comes down to Newton's second law, which says that acceleration is equal to the force divided by the mass. So if you divide by a large number, a larger mass, your acceleration will be a smaller number if you have the same force. And the way to get a bigger acceleration for a certain mass is to have a larger force. So some examples. So if we had a 1,000 kilogram truck with an engine that can supply a force of 5,000 newtons, it will accelerate at a rate of 5,000 newtons divided by 1,000 kilograms, and that will give us an acceleration of 5 meters per second every second. So if I want to, and you can rearrange that formula, you could multiply both sides by m, and now you have the force equals the mass times acceleration. So if you want to accelerate a 2 kilogram rock at 3 meters per second every second, then how much force do I need to provide? So you have your 2 kilogram rock, and you multiply that by your 3 meters per second every second, and that gives us a value of 6, and that kilogram meters per second we give that a special name called newtons. That's a measure of force. So let's say we have a compact car that has a mass of 300 kilograms. Its engine can provide 1,800 newtons. What acceleration will the car experience on a level road? So acceleration equals the force divided by the mass. So that tells us that we have 1,800 newtons divided by 300 kilograms. That gives us an acceleration of 6 meters per second every second. So at 6 meters per second every second, how long will it take for the car to reach a speed of 24, or a velocity of 24 meters per second? So you take your 24 meters per second that you're trying to reach and divide that by 6 meters per second every second, and you have 1 over seconds, which is 1 over 1 over seconds. That gives us 4 seconds. 24 divided by 6 is 4, and the units there are 1 over seconds. So you can just invert that and multiply, and you get units of seconds. So a compact car has a mass of 500 kilograms, force of 2,000 newtons. So you take 2,000 newtons divided by 5,000 kilograms, and you get 4 meters per second every second. So at 4 meters per second every second, how long will it take for the car to reach 24 meters per second? You're going to reach 24 at 4 every second, so it's going to take you 6 seconds. So that's Newton's second law. You can memorize it like that, or you could memorize it like this. and then you can rearrange it either way you want from there. I generally memorize it like that, but either way, you only have to memorize one of those and you can use your algebra skills to come up with the other one.